When you need to get around in a long document, a really helpful method is to use the outline that you create for that document. This quick tip explains how easy it is to navigate in this manner. If you use defined styles in your document, and you've organized your document so that you use the headings built into Word, you can use your document's outline in order to navigate. To understand how this works, I've got a large document on the screen here. You can see that it has 934 pages in it. This just happens to be the ebook that I've created called WordTips, the Macros. And let's say that I wanted to quickly jump to a location that I figure is about 3/4 of the way through the document. Well, if I know the heading, the name of the heading, I can always use Find and Replace to jump down and find that heading within the document. But if I can't quite remember the exact wording of that heading, then that means that I can't use Find and Replace to do that. Well, Word provides two ways that you can navigate through the document using the headings. First, you can use the navigation pane. You can display this pane by displaying the View tab of the ribbon, and then we are going to click on the navigation pane option right here. And it shows it at the left side of the document. Each of these is a heading within the document, and if I wanted to, I could scroll down through all of the headings, find the one that I wanted to, and then I can click on it, and Word takes me to that heading within the document itself. If I no longer want to work with the navigation pane, then all I have to do is just click this X right up here, and it's closed, and I remain at that point within my document. The second way of using your outline in order to navigate is to use the outline view that's built into Word. In fact, this is my favorite method to use to navigate through my document. To switch to outline view, we have the View tab of the ribbon again, still selected up here, and then all I have to do is click on Outline. That's the tool that's right over here in the Views group. When I do that, you can see that my document now looks very plain over here, and I select what level I want to have displayed right up here. Let's say I want level 1. Then that's all that I see within my document now, is all of the level 1 headings within the document. I can scroll through the headings to find the one that I want, and if I think that there's a heading underneath it that actually represents the real heading that I want, you can see that there's a little plus sign to the left of the heading. Well, all I have to do is click within the heading somewhere. I have the insertion point within that heading right now. And then I can click this plus icon right up here, and that expands just that heading to show all the subheadings underneath it. When I find the particular heading that I want, all I have to do is click within it, and then I switch back over to the print layout view, and I am within that particular section of the document to be able to work within it. At this point, I can continue to edit my document as desired. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the WordTips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.